High among the skyscrapers and cliffs, the Peregrine Falcon reigns as the undisputed speed demon of the avian world. Capable of swooping at speeds over 200 miles per hour, its hunting prowess is unrivaled, allowing this master of the skies to effortlessly seize its prey mid-flight. However, this majestic bird faces grave threats from habitat destruction, environmental pollution, and climate change. Historically endangered due to pesticide use, notably DDT, peregrine populations plummeted mid-20th century. Thanks to robust conservation initiatives, including captive breeding and habitat restoration, these falcons have staged a remarkable comeback, earning a spot on the path to recovery. Nevertheless, their survival remains delicate. Urban environments, surprisingly, have become safe havens, with city buildings mimicking cliff ledges. Dedicated conservationists continue to monitor and protect these extraordinary raptors, ensuring that the peregrine falcon's breathtaking dives remain a symbol of nature's awe-inspiring resilience and adaptability. The commitment to preserving this bird's magnificent presence highlights the ongoing battle to balance human progress with wildlife preservation.